is a really compact 100 watts power delivery charger, QC5. Honestly, I don't have any device that can take in 100 watts, but I'm gonna do my best. MacBook Pro, portable power station, iPhone 12, and let's test it with my trusted kilowatt. When it's plugged in, there's a little blue light. It's not consuming any energy when plugged in. Okay, let's try the MacBook Pro first. It may take a while to reach the maximum output. And by the way, it will not damage the iPhone because the wattage is determined at the phone, not by the charger. It will only take in whatever is the maximum allowed wattage. It's doing 50 watts. The state of charge is around 67%. That's the Coconut battery app. 44. I have already replaced the battery of this MacBook Pro. The battery health status is around 96%. Okay, next one. Let's do the power station. The maximum input is limited at 63 watts. Using its power delivery port. 66 here. 3 watts conversion loss to the unit. And finally, let's do the iPhone 12. %. I think it's going to be around 15 watts. Yeah, 15. So, although it's a 100 watts charger, it will not do over 20 watts as opposed to the iPhone 12 because it is limited by the iPhone, not determined by the charger again. So actually you can do this you can use any charger to charge the iPhone as long as the voltage is accepted by the iPhone. Great, thanks for watching.